Hi. So today is Sunday, December 21st. It is winter solstice. It is about 3 o'clock. So, a little backstory. Every winter, every Christmas holiday, I like to decorate a garland and put it on my porch. Well, this year I got the great idea to do the garland in the backyard on my cattle panel arch between the two raised beds. And I just got that idea today. I've been putting off the garland, so we're gonna do that. The only hard thing is trying to get the extension cord to stay up off the ground, because there's about 8 foot between the outlet and the cattle panel. So I'm gonna do that. And then the other thing is I stepped up my lighting game for this year. So I have this 8 foot length of bigger lights to put on there. And I have this sort of blue gingham that I want to put on there. Usually I will have these icicle lights, but I'm not doing that this year. So we will see how it goes. It is winter solstice. It is 3 p.m. So I have about an hour of daylight. We will try it. What I didn't tell you is that my garland is named Judy Garland every year. And she is done. You got the ruby slippers. You got the little label with the gingham, hence the gingham. Got my new lights. And it's all strung up on cable. And then I put the excess cable in a plastic bag and send it on a timer.